Okay, here we are at Grant Lake. Walking down to the inlet here. Got my rods, everything's ready to go. Here it is, end of October. And it's like 60 degrees and just absolutely beautiful. Got my rods with the mooks on, ready to go. And we'll show you where we're going. Okay, we're down here at the inlet of Rush Creek. We don't want to be where there's any moving water, so as you can see, this is the very end of the Grant Lake and nice flat plateau. But what's cool out in the water is there's some nice deep, I don't know what you call them, channels that the fish sit in, and they wait for stuff to come from the shallow into the channels. And here's some deer tracks, lots of deer tracks on the ground. What we don't want to see is bear tracks. So plenty of deer all over the place. Look at all of them. So here we go. That looks like right where I'm going to stop, right up there, and set up and go. 2.5-inch orange. Still can't see him. I can see the lure, can't see him. Oh, it looks like a nice brown. Yeah. Can't really tell yet. Oh, nice brown. Nice fish. Yep. Very nice. Oh, look at that brown. He's a nice big guy. Wow. Look at that brownie. Can you see him? I'm going to go ahead and get him in the net. We'll take the lure out and then we'll go ahead and release him. Look at this big guy. Okay, very nice brownie there. We're going to go ahead and let him go. There he goes. Oh, this is a nice fish. Oh yeah, very nice fish. You can see the orange mook hanging out of there. Boy, we're just getting into some nice browns tonight. Look at that guy. Yeah, very nice fish here. Oh, this might be a cutthroat, maybe. It might be a cutty. Whatever it is, it sure is pretty. And big. Nice big fish. Wow. Not sure he'll get home. Maybe it's just a big old rainbow. Look at this guy. Wow, that is a big fish. This thing's pushing 5 pounds probably. Look at that. Oh, I don't think he's going to fit in this net. Wow, that is a big fish. Okay, we're going to have to reevaluate what we're doing here. That is a big fish. So here we go. Let's see what we got. Look at this guy. Wow, he is just massive fish. Won't even fit in this net. Here, on the Mook Orange right there. He nailed it. Now I'm going to go ahead and release him now. He is just huge. Huge fish. What a nice fish. Wow. Wait till he kicks. Okay, worked on something here. Pretty good bite. Let's see what we got. Feels really good. See the orange mook hanging out. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. good looking bobo there. Wow, look, he's spotted up. Spotted up something nice. There you can see the orange mook, and oh, that's a little different rainbow. He's got spots all over. Okay, very nice. We'll go ahead and pull this single hook out. Pretty fish. Very pretty fish. That was the orange mook. There he goes.